there are many reasons on why some people choose to still live together while divorces are pending. It's normal. I've seen it a lot of times in different cases. Of course, every case is different, so it really all depends on your circumstances. You may get along great with your soon-to-be ex-spouse, so you might decide to still be roommates while divorce is pending. That's fine. And there are circumstances where the parties just they can't stand each other, but they, in their own minds, think it's the best thing to do to still currently reside. It may be cheaper, and maybe for whatever reasons, to still maintain the same household while divorce is pending. The most important thing, though, to take away from this is, number one, don't worry about it. Don't care about what people think. If you're still living with your soon-to-be ex-spouse, it's not a big deal as long as that's what you know is in your best interest. And number two, if there's a domestic violence injunction, a domestic violence dispute, something going on between the parties that is not physically or mentally well or beneficial for both of them, to the contrary, if it's detrimental to your relationship, then you need to leave immediately. You call the cops if there's any violence, whether it be physical, verbal, whatever type of violence is not okay. So do not continue to reside with your soon-to-be ex-spouse just because of money concerns, because that's never enough. And the courts know that, and that's why there are certain things that you can request a court to do while something like this is pending. If you do decide to file a petition for domestic violence, you can ask the court to give you exclusive use of the home and still require them to make the payments on the mortgage. There are things that will be resolved. There are ways to resolve these type of issues. Do not let that stop you from filing for domestic violence. It's crucial. You need to know that. Also, if there's kids involved, you definitely want to get out of the house, then you definitely request for exclusive use of the home. Don't let money be an option. There's resources. You can literally go here in Miami-Dade County. You can ask someone to help you fill out the form for free, and you can file for a domestic violence injunction. You wait, and the judge will give you an answer if they're going to grant something temporary or if it's going to be denied. If you get the okay and it's granted temporary, then you will have at least a minimum of 2 weeks to be able to stay there and try to figure everything else out. But what's most important is to make that separation between you and the violence, because that needs to stop. So if you have any questions regarding cohabitating during divorces, domestic violence, or anything really, let us know. We're here to help you. We'll make time to make videos and continue answering your questions. We do enjoy it. So please feel free to reach out to us. We're here to help you. Thanks.